I can't even see out of any of my windows. All right, let's see. Let's follow the drift. Balance it out with the accelerator. That's the fun part about doing this, is that you can't do this in the dry unless you go on a racetrack with Chris Harris. But, oh man, yeah, this road is, it's like 18 degrees right now. This road is frozen. Oh, Jesus. All right. Yeah, these tires are not the greatest in the snow. The car definitely handles a lot better since I redid the alignment and did those upper control arms. I tell you, it's a lot less skittish when you're on the throttle. I'm doing about 35, 40 miles an hour right now in the ice. Downhill. Guys, that's just a little teaser of the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. And like I said, this car is not that good in the snow, but it's a lot of fun. And the Michelin Pilot Alpine 4s, they'll get you by. The problem is, if you're not in race mode, if you're in like any of the other modes where the traction intervenes, I'm up on a big hill. If you have to brake traction, you're gonna get stuck. So stay tuned. There's gonna probably be a full video in the daytime. If we get out there and the roads aren't cleared out, I'll shoot some more content for you. But I haven't shot a snow video in this car because last year we didn't have any snow. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys later.